Moravia. We left Brno now and we are heading to the south. Just 1 hour out of Brno there is this amazing region where there is a lot to do.
Yes.
We are going to Boskovice, which is a nice little village in the middle of South Moravia, and there we will have lunch in some characteristic
exploring
place.
the Jewish quarter and
then the castle.
And the castle, yes, and we hope that we can fly the drone. I mean, I'm not 100% sure about the weather, but let's see.
Let's see, maybe it's raining because autumn is arriving in South Moravia. They just expect us for after the trip, just change the season from summer to autumn. Don't ask us
So maybe
why.
we're gonna do some shopping as well. Who knows? Yeah. But yeah, for now, that's the itinerary for today. Maybe some things will change, and the most amazing thing that I'm looking for is a spa at the end.
Oh, the favorite part for me is instead the beer tour. So I'm looking
I
for
forgot
that.
about that. Yeah. So yeah, we're gonna have a lot of.
We will check some a local brewery, which is completely blowing my mind.
So let's go and drink, right?
Yes. And as you can see, the weather hit us very bad.
Yes, I'm so happy that I had 2 jumpers and that's it in my backpack. That's it. But yeah, so today we start the day a bit early because we are exploring the famous caves, the Punkva Caves, and it's gonna be really nice. We're gonna take the boat to go underneath, and I've seen so many pictures and they're just amazing, so I can just wait to see them.
Somebody will just fell off from the boat.
Well,
we are with an amazing group of friends and bloggers as well, exploring South Moravia. So it will be a crazy adventure, and I don't think that is the only adventure that we will live today. I think there will be many stories.
Yes, I mean in the next few minutes you're gonna see our group how
we will start our journey on a little quirky train. So let's go and explore the underground. Where are you taking us?
We've just been to the back gate. Now we've lost the work and the lights can try. Don't come. It's not safe.
We are going underground and now there is direct contact with the water. Let's not fall in. Alicia?
Well, I'm trying my best not to lick because he's quite wet here, so sorry.
This is so nice.
Yes, it was amazing.
Wait. Just don't stick your hands out of the boat. Keep everything inside the boat.
So no video, no picture.
No videos.
If you take the pictures, please be very careful because if you drop it,
Right. Okay.
and you can see how very tight we are next to the.
And no flash, right?
first lake, first space, they call it Black Lake. Because, and the entrance in front of us, it's entrance to the hell.
Oh, nice.
Okay.
Is that right?
Yeah.
So it's deep, it's 1 meter, but it's going to be much deeper.
Right.
So above us there are chimneys, they are more than 80 meters long.
After a wonderful morning exploring the beauty of South Moravia, we headed to the family business Modrotisk Danzinger, which produced fine blueprint clothes from generation and served the local national team for the uniform of Olympic Games 2020.
So the first family who started this blueprint was the family of Weiss.
A vlastně první zmínky o téhle barvě byly v roce 1520.
And the first, how can I say it, in the history books, the first mentions was in 1520. So I think date production, so
Move again. Morning. Oh my God, what a good morning.
So our Moravia ended and the sun is out. Can you believe it?
And we get a bit of sore throats from this drop in temperature.
Yes.
So it was nice to be in the countryside, but it's now time to go to Brno.
Yes.
In the
and-
next episode, you will explore Brno with us in 24 hours, and then we are going to the first city of Czech Republic, which is Prague, the capital.
And it would be my second time.
If
So-
you like this video and this adventure that we have done thanks to Traverse events and the conference in Czech Republic, please subscribe and hit the like button. See you at the next one.